Today we are traveling to Hong Kong in a Qantas A380 in a business class.
QF127.
Today I'm taking you to a journey from Sydney to Hong Kong in a Qantas A380 business class. That's how you spend the time with me. We got a photo opportunity with the captain. Hello.
Hey,
how are you?
Hey,
Captain.
grab a seat.
Oh wow, look at this.
Doesn't think much of the head.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Are you going to be a pilot in the future? Wow, look at this cockpit, so beautiful. Wow.
Looks pretty comfortable there.
Yes, thank you very much. It's a good flight. Thank you. Qantas is one of my favorite airlines. These business class seats are the first generation A380 business class seats. They will be replaced by the newly designed business class seats. So how are these seats like and how are the crew services on board? Let's find out in this video. For those who have watched my previous videos, you know I have flown Qantas first class and newly refurbished business class, both returned from Sydney to Los Angeles. You can check out these videos in my channel. I will also put the links in the description below. Today's flight is 9.5 hours on the QF127. Take off at 10:30 AM from Sydney Airport and we arrive in Hong Kong Airport at the local time at 5:30 PM. It's a long flight and I think business classes should be good for us.
We're going Hong Kong.
Are you comfy?
Very comfy. This carrier is a lifesaver. This boy is 13.5 kilos. Must have one.
Today we are traveling with our toddler, 1-year-old baby in a business class. Good that we got the basinet seat, so hopefully make our journey a little bit easier. How are you doing?
Very excited. I'm looking forward. So glad that it's business class. Oh my god. Can you imagine in economy with a baby?
After the busy custom and security checkpoint, here it is a Sydney International Airport duty-free shopping area. Lots of famous brands and fancy stuff. We didn't want to waste our time here, but straight to the Qantas International Business Lounge, which is located in Terminal 1 on the mezzanine level under the Qantas International First Lounge. The lounge is big and it's very busy today. We can hardly find a table to sit down. Food and drinks are complimentary and the buffet breakfast has lots of choices with bacon and eggs, pastries, fruit and salad. Coffee is either self-serve or can make an order. These local Australian wines and champagnes look very beautiful, but I think it's a bit too early for a drink. I worry we might get too tipsy and end up in the wrong plane.
I find the lounge very disappointing. They don't even have poached eggs. That's something I was really looking forward to.
Well, they have scrambled egg. I think scrambled is good enough, isn't it?
Yeah, but the food's not hot. I like the first class lounge. That was a lot better.
The boarding gate is gate 9, only 5 minutes short walk from the business lounge. Check-in was very smooth and the Qantas business class is located at the upper deck of the A380. These business class seats are in 222 configurations, total 64 seats. It's the first generation A380 business class seat layout since 2008. From 2019, Qantas has gradually retrofitted all the A380 business class seats with newer and modern design. You can check out these new business class seats in my previous video where I flew from Sydney to Los Angeles. It's very comfortable and it's got a lot of leg rooms in front of you. These smart new design seats still look beautiful in my opinion. The cocoon bubble shape looks futuristic. With a gentle touch button, it turns into fully flat bed with plenty of leg rooms in front of you. There are storage rooms right next to your window seat, which comes very convenient for the pillow and blanket. The TV screen is located in the middle of the console. A gentle press, it should pop up. There are some charges in front of the console as well. The downside of this design is that there is no room for a glass one in the middle console. If you're a single traveler and want some privacy, you can roll up this middle divider. I love the color airline amenity kit, which usually comes with eye mask, a pair of socks and sun lotions. Qantas in-flight entertainment has 2,500 hours of movies, TV shows, games and kids entertainment series. Qantas recently rolled out the entertainment app which allows you to connect on board wireless network and watch all the shows on your smartphones and tablets.
Even socks to entertain you.
Today's weather is great for takeoff. I wonder, how do you feel when you're about to embark a journey for a holiday? I feel very excited. The adrenaline of an exciting holiday is just too good and often too hard to put into words. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Alan Law. I have a lot of viewers email me and ask me what I do for work. I'm an accountant, tax specialist, and a licensed finance broker in Sydney, Australia. We take care of small to medium business clients' accounting, tax and finance affairs. If you are running a business in Australia, you need a good accountant to guide you through from business development to personal wealth creation. So if you ever need help, please feel free to reach out. We believe in adding values to you and your business. So far the experience is so nice. The Qantas staff are very friendly, very accommodating for the kids and on board. Sitting on the floor, he's sitting in my business class seat. It's not very fair. It's harder being a father. 2 hours into the flight, the cabin crew start to serve lunch. The in-flight meal is always something that I'm looking forward to. Maybe it's because of the small portion, the service, or maybe it's the flying restaurant in the air. I'm not sure. But it always feels good when the crew starts serving the meal. It's kind of a feeling having a treat. New Perry design in-flight menu is written in English and Chinese. It has a combination of modern Australian and fusion Chinese cuisine, with light entrees such as plum-based dining, salmon salad, or chicken skewers. What are you having for entree?
I'm having chicken.
I chose to have salmon salad. A little bit spicy, tastes very nice. The main course are either beef fillet, pork, snapper, or plum-based vegetarian dish. And I choose beef fillet with roasted potatoes, braised cabbage, and mushroom. Medium cook, tastes very nice.
Where's the queens?
There's no queens there? I think that's the queens. So one button you can easily roll the bed to flat. How was it, comfy?
Very comfy.
If you have a baby under 1 year old, I would highly recommend you to put the seat with a basinet. It just gives you the break that you needed during the long flight, provided your baby is not too fat or too tall. I don't see whether it's big or not.
Yeah, he'll be alright. He won't be able to do any more trips after this.
They're very tight.
And then just put the blanket over the top and it should be fine.
Thank you so much.
He's a little overweight and he's a big boy.
So the bassinet seems like it's for the babies under 1 year old. For the normal size, any bigger than normal, probably not going to fit. I think that's the best moment that we can have a bit of ham-free when he's in the bassinet. Oh, so comfortable. It's completely laid flat. It's only 3 hours into the flight, so we've got another 6 hours to go. I'm going to have a nap. I'll see you a little bit later on. Qantas is one of the 6 airlines which has an onboard lounge for the business and first class passengers. This little lounge is located at the front of the upper deck. It gives a bit of room to stretch your legs and have a bit of a chit chat with the other passengers. I think this is before the refurbish. This lounge is a bit small compared to the refurbished one. So we're gonna get some chocolate, yeah? Beautiful. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See, another good tip for you is spend some time with the crew. Maybe hand over your baby to the crew and then have a bit of fun. Merry Christmas to you guys.
Merry Christmas.
One thing I really appreciate when flying with Qantas is the genuineness and friendliness of the staff on board. Throughout this flight, the crew member Daphne and Darren are outstanding and provided excellent services to us. And this has no doubt made us feel like home at 38,000 feet above in the air.
QF 127.
Another reason I really love to fly Qantas is that it has an outstanding safety history compared to any other airlines. Even though it has some noted incidents, but it has never had a fatal accident in the modern jet age, which is remarkable in my opinion. Hong Kong is one of my favorite holiday destinations, not because I was born in China, but because of the history, the people, the mixture of East and West cultures, the density of population making it a vibrant city, and the food, shopping, and never sleep buzzing nightlife. Well, sometimes it can be a little bit crazy. So, if you haven't visited Hong Kong yet, I highly suggest you should. Ask your mum and dad for some pocket money, go to the bar street at Lang Kwai Fong and get yourself some wet pussy shots. But please, drink and party responsibly. After 9 hours flight, we are approaching Hong Kong International Airport. The views from landing on the northeast runway are spectacular if you are sitting on the right side of the plane, with distant islands at the backdrop and the local fishermen's boats on site. The views can be even better if it's a clear day with golden sunset.
Don't be naughty.
After the landing, to our surprise, we were invited to the cockpit to say hello to the captain and the first officer. Here we go. We got a photo opportunity with the captain. Hello.
How you doing?
How are you?
Hey.
Captain.
Grab a seat.
Oh wow! Look at this.
Doesn't think much of the hat.
Oh my
Wow.
God!
Wow.
Are you going to be a pilot in the future? Wow! Look at this cockpit, so beautiful. Wow!
Looks pretty comfortable there.
Yes. Thank you very much. It's a good
Pleasure.
flight.
It was
Thank
great.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
so
Captain.
much.
It's a pleasure.
It's a very good
Hope you
flight.
enjoyed the flight.
Yes,
Oh,
we
we
did.
did. We
Thank you
loved
very
it.
much. Thank you.
This is his first flight, so we thought we better
Fantastic.
take a photo.
Was
make
he
it
excited?
memorable. Yeah, of course.
Doesn't think much of the hat, does he?